Everyone keeps asking the same question. Is software engineering better than computer science? One builds apps, the other builds algorithms. One is hands-on, the other is deep theory. So which one should you choose? Because here's the scary truth, choosing the wrong one could waste 4 years of your life. Or worse, lock you into a career you don't even like. But today, we're putting an end to the confusion. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which degree gives you more career options, which one pays more, which one suits your personality, and the biggest mistake students make when choosing between them. So let's settle this once and for all. Let's kill the myths first. Computer science is all about understanding how computers work. Think algorithms, data structures, operating systems, AI, and math. You become a scientist of computers, working with logic and theory to design better systems. Software engineering is about building real-world software, apps, tools, platforms, code that actually gets shipped. You become a problem solver and a builder, managing projects, writing clean code, testing, and deploying software. In simple terms, CAs is like designing the blueprint. C is like actually constructing the building. Let's break down what you actually study in each degree. In computer science, you will study things like algorithms and data structures, the foundation of how software thinks. Computer architecture, how computers work at the hardware level. Theory of computation, the science behind solving problems with machines. Cryptography, securing data using math and logic. And yes, lots of math, linear algebra, discrete math, calculus. It's a brain workout. Now, in software engineering, it's a different flavor. Software development life cycle, planning, building, testing, and maintaining real-world apps. Agile, Scrum, and project management, how teams collaborate to deliver projects on time. Version control with Git, because nobody writes perfect code on the first try. UI and UX design, creating clean interfaces people actually want to use. And of course, code optimization and teamwork. Computer science is theory-heavy. It's all about logic, algorithms, and how things work. Software engineering is hands-on, focused on building apps, working with teams, and shipping real products. Now you might be thinking, okay, but which one gets me the better job? Let's get into that next. Here's what no one tells you. You can get similar jobs from both degrees, but the way you get there is different. With computer science, you're likely to go into AI and machine learning, cybersecurity, data science, research or academia, system design or back-end roles. With software engineering, you'll more often land front-end back-end dev roles, web or mobile app development, DevOps and cloud engineering, project or team lead roles. Average salaries? They're almost identical at entry level. But CAs can give you an edge if you're going into cutting-edge research or specialized fields like AI or cryptography. Say wins if you're aiming to climb into management, startup culture, or building products fast. But hold up, what if you pick one and later regret it? Let's talk about the flexibility factor. Can you switch later? Here is the good news. Yes, you can switch paths. Because both fields teach you problem solving and programming. You can major in CAs and become a software engineer. Or study say and transition into AI or cloud. What really matters? Your portfolio. What you build outside of class. Your internship experience. In tech, your skills, your degree name. But let's make this even easier for you. So, is software engineering better than computer science? Choose software engineering if you love building apps and products, prefer working with teams, want to launch fast and ship often, enjoy project-based learning, hate abstract math. Choose computer science if you love deep problem solving, enjoy math and algorithms, are curious about how things work under the hood, want to explore AI, data science, or research, prefer theory over teamwork. Neither one is better. They're just different roads to the same destination. A high-paying tech career. But the right road is the one that aligns with how your brain works and what you enjoy doing every day. Still can't decide? Here is a cheat code. Start with software engineering if you want to get a job fast. Then transition to deeper CS concepts if you love digging into logic later. Or just learn both. Seriously, tech is flexible like that. Alright, you made your choice. Now what? It's time to build your skills. Because companies don't hire degrees, they hire doers. In our next video, we're going to show you how to build a killer tech portfolio that gets you hired, even if you're still in school. So smash that subscribe button, drop a comment with your pick. Hush Team Software Engineer or Hush Team Com Science. And I'll see you in the next one.